Professional high pressure cleaning. Welcome to Dirt2Tidy, your ultimate solution for high pressure cleaning that brings back the sparkle to your space. Whether it's a grimy driveway or weathered patio or your building's facade, our state-of-the-art high-pressure cleaning service eradicates dirt and grime in minutes. Watch as decades of build-up vanish before your eyes. Our team of professionals is dedicated to quality and sustainability. We use eco-friendly methods and powerful equipment to protect your property while delivering stunning results every time. See the transformation for yourself. Our clients rave about the dramatic difference, improved curb appeal, and renewed confidence in their surroundings. Dirt2Tidy isn't just about cleaning, it's about reviving your space. Ready to reclaim your space? Join the Dirt2Tidy revolution today. Contact us for a free estimate and experience the power of high-pressure cleaning. Follow us on social media for tips, specials, and inspiring transformations.